Hey guys, this is Fei from Feisworld Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to touch up your video using Zoom and a bunch of other little tweaks anyone can do to make themselves look better, and shall I say much better. Now, here's the thing. I'm sitting in an office without a lot of natural light, and my room light right now is to my right. So as you can see, I am pretty plain looking at the moment. I see a lot of people buying a Logitech HD 1080p camera like the one I have, but they haven't realized to enable actual HD, and they use this for a long time. So look, I don't think it's the end of the world if you join a webinar or a meeting looking this way, but there are actually tweaks you can apply to make yourself look better. And guess what? If you are gonna use this type of webcam to shoot your YouTube videos or your tutorials, you might as well look as good as you possibly can be. And for the ladies out there, you're able to save money and time on makeup. Let's get started. So the first thing is you want to go to the upper right hand corner and click on zoom.us and click on preference or go to preference. There we go. Let me minimize that so you can see the change happen in real time. Inside the settings area, you want to go to videos. Now you're able to see me on the big screen as well as this preview. Usually when you plug in your HD camera, chances are that it switched you to widescreen, which makes you look better and gives you a bigger background. If that hasn't happened already, make sure you click on this radial button that says widescreen. I'm going to slide myself slightly to the right here so you can see this preview window with what you actually see on the Zoom window. Now, step one is to enable HD right here. You see how my background is much bigger and you can actually see me better. You can see more details. But as a result, you can see the uneven light that's hitting my face. And I can tell you, I can see right now that there are a lot of imperfections on my face, which is also because when you have a higher definition camera, it does capture more details. So the key to all of this is to hit touch up my appearance. I'm going to turn it on and off a few times so you can actually see the difference. Off, on, off, and now it's on. So basically, it does a very natural, smooth technique. Your face will look smoother and it's going to wipe out some of the imperfections. I don't know, if you have a huge pimple, that might not help as much. But if you have colorations on your skin or you didn't really get a good night's sleep, this is actually going to do a lot for you. Now, there's one option you might not notice is when you come into Zoom meeting, most of them have mirror my video turned off. You see, what's happening, even though you cannot see me right now, is I'm actually reversed. So when I'm leaning to the right, I'm showing to you guys I'm leaning to the left. So I personally prefer mirror my video, which is giving that exact reflection as if I'm looking into the mirror right now. So anyway, I hope you find this short video helpful. I've been using the touch-up appearance for a long time, and I really like the fact that it's not really distorting anything. It's not really changing your jawline or anything at all. It's just touching up your face. That's it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please consider subscribing before you go. Hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.